The woman accused of leaving her 3 children in an apartment with the remains of another sibling in court today. The judge raising bond for Gloria Williams to $1.5 million. The judge saying the original bond of $900,000 was insufficient.
Prosecutors also presented new evidence saying Williams was getting government assistance for her abandoned children. Adam Bennett now joins us live with more details. Adam?
Mia, prosecutors told the judge that Williams was getting about $2,000 a month in that assistance. They said she was able to rent 2 apartments, one fully furnished, the other to hide her son's body. Gloria Williams was already in the county jail on 2 charges, tampering with a corpse and injury to a child, serious bodily injury. Today, Judge Kelly Johnson raised Williams' bond on the injury charge from $350,000 to $1 million.
I'm satisfied. We can't seek no bond in this case per the Texas Constitution, and I believe that the judge did take into consideration all of the factors and took a special focus on community safety because this is such an egregious case.
Right off the bat, the judge felt that the bond was insufficient. Well, the bonds altogether were $900,000. I didn't see that as insufficient.
Prosecutor Andrea Bell told the judge Williams got government checks for 3 of her children. She says that included a daughter who no longer lived with her and 8-year-old Kendrick Lee after he was dead. Sonia Parker was in the courtroom today.
I want to explode.
She organized a vigil for Kendrick Lee last week.
It's just hurtful to see that and to hear that, knowing that they got up every day and ate and washed their face and brushed their teeth, and the kids had nothing.
Family members of Williams' former husband spoke after the hearing.
He loved those kids. He loved them.
Daryl Wayne Towner died in 2019, was not the kid's biological father, and is not linked to this criminal case.
There's no words to express how I feel about what these kids has gone through and what they're going through now.
They did not know Brian Coulter. He's Williams' boyfriend charged with Kendrick Lee's murder. Coulter is now in jail on a $1 million bond. A grand jury will eventually decide whether to indict Williams and Coulter. If so, it'll be up to the district attorney to decide whether to pursue the death penalty in this case. Mia?
We'll see which way they go. Adam Bennett, thank you so much. And there is still so many unanswered questions in this case, but many of you are asking, how can I help? Be sure to visit KHRU.com for more on how to assist Houston area children in the care of Child Protective Services.